Next, we're going to enter into the twisting asana. So you're going to bring the left foot, bringing the left foot towards the right hip, and then bend the right knee. So the foot is actually between your body and your thigh. It's not in the knee, it's not outside, it's right here. Keep the knee bent. Right hand behind you, look back. Inhale in the left hand up. And in the exhale, elbow outside of the knee, look back into Matsyendrasana 2.
Udaram paschimabhasam krutva tishtati yatnataha namrangam vamapadam hi dakshajanu-parinyaset tatra yamyam kurparam cha yamye kare cha vaktrakam bhur madhye gatam drishtim pitham matsyendra muchyate.
Now switch the hands, keeping the same posture, Kubhasana.
आसन को गुण झोलो जाए.
And stretch. Matsyasana 1.
मत्स्येन्द्र पीठम जठर प्रदीप्तिम प्रचंड रुग्मंडल खंडनास्त्रम अभ्यासतः कुंडलिनी प्रबोधम दंडस्थिरत्वं हि ददाति पुंसाम्.
And release. Release. And now we're going to switch the other side. Yes. Bring the right foot towards the left hip. And bend in the left knee. Bend in the left knee. You're going to keep the left hand behind you and the right hand towards the sky. And on the exhale, looking back into Matsyendrasana 2. Switch the hands, Kubhasana. Stretch the hand, Matsyendrasana 1. And release. I think we're all ready for Padmasana. So bring the foot on the respective hip. Sitting here, Padmasana.
आसनं द्विविधं प्रोक्तं पद्मं वज्रासनं तथा ऊर्ध्वोरुपरि चेद्धत्ते उभे पादतले यथा पद्मासनं भवेदेतत् सर्वपापप्रणाशनम्.
Bring in the hands as you touch the toes. Crossing the arms into Padmasana 4.
उत्तानौ चरणौ कृत्वा ऊरु संस्थौ प्रयत्नतः ऊरु मध्ये तथोतानौ पाणि कृत्वा तु तादृशौ.
Now we're going to bring the hands through the legs. You're going to bring the hands through the legs all the way till your elbows. Hands are flat on the ground. Hands are flat, and you're going to bring the hands on the ground, lifting the hips up from the ground, lifting the knees up into Kukutasana.
पद्मासनं सुसंस्थाप्य जानुर्वोरन्तरे करौ निवेश्य भूमावातिष्ठेत् व्योमस्थः कुक्कुटासनः.
And release. Let's proceed. Everyone got a try? Everyone did it? Yes, great. Next. We're going to bring the knees down and hands, fingertips towards you. And you're going to bring the elbows into the lower part of the abdomen as we're going to balance in Baddha Keki Asana. So you're going to bring the forehead on the ground. If you have never done it, you can see me. If you already know how to enter into the asana, please proceed.
उच्चासनो दण्डवदुत्थितः खे मायूरमेतत् प्रवदन्ति पीठम् मयूरं पद्मकं कुर्यात् बद्धकेकीति कथ्यते.
From Baddha Keki Asana, you can give it a try once more. We're going to enter into Mayurasana. Stretching the legs behind you. Behind you, stretching the legs into Mayurasana.
अथ वक्ष्ये महादेव मयूरासनमुत्तमं भूमौ निपात्य हस्तौ द्वौ कूर्परोपरि देहकं कूर्परोपरि संस्थाप्य सर्वदेहं स्थिराशयः केवलं हस्तयुगलं निपात्य भुवि सुस्थिरः.
Okay, very good. One thing is, if we bring the elbows into the lower part of the abdomen, it will be the right foundation for Mayurasana. Let's proceed with Makarasana.
See, even this Mayurasana, wherever you feel the load is more, imbalancing, that part is having toxin, nothing else. Anyhow, we will detoxify. We will do it. And just now, I was organizing for your trip only. The good news is, only thing, you see, yesterday when the priests invited me, I was not convinced. The reason is, see, actually I told them I will come after the MSS is over, alone. The reason is that they may not, you see, one of the biggest problem we are facing now, many times our Hindu temples are getting bombed. The Muslim terrorists, they come and bomb. And sometimes these anti-Hindus, they come and drop the meat. See, in Hindu temple is a pure vegetarian campus. If you put meat, and the ritualistic cleansing will cost almost like $1 million. So they just come and dump 1 kg meat and run away. You can't legally punish them. But we will have to spend $1 million to do the ritualistic cleansing. So because of that, many of these temples have stopped allowing the foreigners. Now, I asked that will they allow all our participants? They said as long as we take the responsibility that they will respect that place, we will not have a problem. So I said, go ahead, and all of us will be having darshan. All of you will be allowed in the temple. So I said, I will give the commitment. Nobody will do any of these kind of things. We will only respect the place and respect the temple. And they will allow everyone, all the MSS participants, whether you are from India or whether you are from outside India, you will be able to go into the temple and have darshan. You will have the darshan and... All right, continue. Soon, maybe within few days, we will organize. I am just sending him and he will be organizing it.
So let's proceed with the next asana. So lay down on the ground, separate the legs and bringing the hands behind the neck into Makarasana.
अध्यास्य शेते हृदयं निधाय भूमौ च पादौ च प्रसार्यमाणौ शिरश्च धृत्वा करदण्डयुग्मे देहाग्निकारं मकरासनं तत्.
And now bring the legs together, elbows on the ground and the hands in a Padma Mudra with the chin in between the hands as we enter into Niralambasana.
कराभ्यां पङ्कजं कृत्वा तिष्ठेत् कूर्परया सुधीः मुखमुन्नमयन्नुच्चैः निरालम्बनमासनं निरालम्बनयोगी स्यात् निरालम्बनमासनं निरालम्बनताध्यानं निरालम्बनमासनम्.
Now bring the hands below the shoulders, stretching the legs behind you. You're going to use the lower back muscles to lift the legs up, keeping the legs straight into Shalabhasana.
अध्यास्यश्येते करयुग्मवक्षो भूमिम् अवष्टभ्य करयोस्तलाभ्यां पादौ च शून्ये च वितस्ति चोर्ध्वं वदन्ति पीठं शलभं मुनीन्द्राः.
And relax. Now you're going to bend the knees, holding the feet behind you as you point the toes towards the sky into Dhanurasana.
प्रसार्य पादौ भुवि दण्डरूपौ करौ च पृष्ठे धृतपादयुग्मं कृत्वा धनुस्तुल्यविवर्तिताङ्गं निगद्य योगी धनुरासनं तत्.
Experience a long deep breath here also. Experience a long deep breath in the asana, in Dhanurasana also, and release. Now you're going to bring the elbows on the ground, hands on the cheeks, bend the knees, knees together, Shulasana.
कूर्पराभ्याम् अवनिमवष्टभ्य हस्ततलाभ्यां हनुमवष्टभ्य उत्तिष्ठेच्छूलासनं भवति.
And bring the hands behind you as you bring the feet touching the back as we enter into Ushtrasana. Long deep breath.
शेते पदयुग्मौ व्यस्तं पृष्ठे निधायापि धृतं कराभ्याम् आकुञ्चयेत् सम्यक् उदरास्य गाढम् उष्ट्रं च पीठं योगिनो वदन्ति.
Now, with a long deep breath, release and come into a seated position on the heels of your feet with the hands on the knees, with the spine straight. We enter into Bhaga Asana.
उलटा मोड़ी पाव दो बैसे बहुरो जुगति करे एक ऐसे पावन महिला गुलफ जुहो कुला पाख तीलावे सोवु रिपिष्टि पग थल्याम की पुनि जोई हाथा सो मोड़े वह सोई ताको जंघनि के ढगिल्यावे तासो तिनकी पिष्टि लगावे.
And let's proceed to the next asana. Here you're going to come to the in front of you, holding the elbows. And this is just to measure the foundation, okay? Now you're going to interlace the hands, maintain the elbows where they are. And you're going to bring the crown of the head touching the ground and lifting the knees up from the ground. Listen carefully if this is the first time. Now you're going to walk your toes as you stack the hips over the shoulders. Hip over the shoulders. Without any need to jump, avoid jumping. You're going to lift the legs as you bend the knees. Knees to the chest. Knees to the chest. Yes, into Gohi Asana. Complete control with the breath of the posture.
दोऊ हाथ कहुन्या स्योले कलाई हथेली आगुल्या की पीष्टी धरती टेके कलाई जुड़ीवा राशे कलाया की माहिली कानी माथो.
Stay here for a few more breaths. With the right foundation. Okay, now we're going to, from Gohyasana, you're going to stretch the legs up into Shirsasana.
विपरीतं मण्डलं च द्विधैव विदितं हिनः दण्डासनं द्विधा प्रोक्तं विपरीतोपवेशने सर्वाङ्गशीर्षभागास्तु षट्षष्टिः प्रथितास्तु ते.
Slowly, slowly. No need to jump. No need to jump. Try again. And if you're there, stay there for a few more breaths into Shirsasana. Tucking the hip over the shoulders. No need to jump until the hips are over the shoulders. And you're going to bend one foot. No, keep the knee to the chest. Okay. You have to make sure the shoulders are strong, away from the ears, so that you create the right foundation. Just a few more seconds in this. Please give it a try. Let the Sadashiva's prana enter into all of us as we experience the whole body being made out of wax. As we allow the asana to happen, avoid moving the foundation. Bring the shoulders. Ma.